amenities and also restaurants as well. 2019 style. P.OASTMAN.
You do very good. Here we are. That's a pretty view. Look at it.
See the Paula Deen restaurant. You see it above there?
Oh, I see it.
So I think that's the IMAX theater to your right now.
I think they did away with that. It's closed now.
Oh, really?
I think I seen it on YouTube.
Maybe that's some type of adventure.
I dare you to walk through there.
You do?
Dare. I dare.
Double dare. I double dare.
W dare you.
Triple dare.
Go.
I triple dare.
Go.
Triple.
Go, Patrick.
Triple dare. Charlie's Batch Wonders. To your left.
I was going to take off. Uh-huh.
Joe's Craft Shack. Keep in mind that this closes, I think, at 8 or 9 o'clock as well. This whole entire area. Maybe some restaurants stay open, but yeah. See the Sky Wheels and the movement for the fair.
Oh, yeah, I see it up there. It's pretty. See if I can see it through the sunlight up there. Let me zoom in. Very pretty.
Well, it is actually cooler.
Oh, it did feel better. You see through there?
So I think Margaritaville is across the bridge. Also, you have Ripley's Aquarium at Broadway at the beach. And all of this is free just to walk through, look around, shop.
The Simpsons. They got the 4D. That's the new. Up there.
Also have your coupon books, just in case, on deck. Those little puppies.
Those are cute. Walking out of the ground.
Remember we went to that Wonders place, the big building that was upside down one year?
The mining thing up there.
You'll head for gemstones and knights, just like Texans in years past went for silver.
Oh, really? The little dog and cat stuff right there. Looks like a little building. We gotta look through here. I heard a boat.
Alright, so as you can see, we got the Paula Deen. Also to the right, Ripley's Aquarium.
And this is the boat, what they call this, a jet ski boat or something? The speedboat.
Speedboat, yeah. Key West Grill.
Key West Grill is over there.
Also, we have the Liberty Steak Brewery, somewhere over here as well.
It smells really good out here. I see the water, everything's on the water here. That's beautiful over there. Look at that Paula Deen. It's a big building. Trying to see if your boat was going to come back so you can see a little bit more of the boat. I think it's coming back now.
But keep in mind, you know, it's also a huge strip of shopping as well. As you can see a little bit as we walk through on the intro. But as you walk, it's lots of small boutiques and stores to shop from for souvenirs. So it sort of reminds you of like an outside mall.
But yeah, that's a speedboat. I'm not sure how much it is, but you could probably check into it and see. You load over on the other side where you see all those people standing on the bridge. You also got a little food up there where you can feed the fish for $1. So that's something you can look into also while you're here at Broadway at the beach. That's cute. The tiki gems. It's neat. Yeah, I gotta get down there and see what they got. Oh yeah. And this is normally a staple I come to every time I come to the beach. You can see there it says We Are Sweets. Let me zoom in so you can see it. And it's just a taffy place. And it's Pick a Pearl. It's Kyle's Kites. Look, they got the thing packed. Look, Christmas at the beach. Look.
Okay.
I had to go around and look at that in a minute. And here they're making the taffy. And sometimes once you go in here, sometimes a guy used to be over here and he'll throw you some taffy.
Free samples.
A free sample to taste. Look at that. Oh, feels good in here.
Watermelon, peach and cream, banana. Hey, where you go? Strawberry banana. Yeah. Beach ball. Combination. Bats.
Look how much there really is right here. Look how much we pay for ours. Look at that.
What all you got in there? Ice on deck.
Still working my
Kicks
way
on
around.
deck.
Yes. Patrick, thanks to Patrick. Adidas boots.
DS Ultra Boost. Super comfortable. Yeah, I got on the Nike Flyknits. Yeah. Candy. 7-Up. Don't shake it. Too much fizz. Yeah. Yeah. Chocolate, peanut butter, vanilla, Shablots. And your drinks.
The taffy, putting the coloring on it. So he's adding flavor to it. It's very neat. This is the Christmas at the beach. Huh. Free customizing.
Flash. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, fine it is to have a vote. Yang, yang.
Alabama.
When you come into this store, does it make you feel like it's like 30 or 40 degrees outside? To snow sled?
Not yet.
But you got on your Christmas colors.
I know. Except for the white.
Red and white? Oh, that's right. You're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day. Just you?
No, not just me. Uh-huh.
Oh, haha, good one.
How pretty is that? Look at the coffee. The,
All right.
Look, how beautiful. Christmas at the beach.
Happy holidays. Yay.
Just like grandma. Look at Santa Claus with it. That's cute. With the flip flops on. I like that.
Oh, do it. But you can change the zoom.
Oh yeah. This for you, Pumpkin. Patriots all day, huh?
Never, Raiders.
Oh yeah, look at those. That's so cute. Look at the bunny rabbit. Yeah, it's the Sweet Carolina. Ferris wheel all the way out there. They got some of the Halloween stuff out already. Yeah, my toes. That wasn't here before, was it? Really? And usually right here at this little fudge factory, during the daytime they have little singers come out and sing and dance. Uh-huh. The Croc store. Let's see, you can see the boat right now. Let me go see what's back there.
All right, so here's some additional footage of Broadway at the beach. As you can see in the far left, you gotta zoom in. Some more shops or whatever, and you can cross the bridge. See Senior Frogs. It's like a sports bar and grill. Ah, look at the freaking boat. Yeah, 1,000 miles per hour. Hold on tight. Also, you see Charlie's. It's lit up right there. Key West Grill. Yeah. So just different angles. Just give you a great visual. Nighttime action. Everything closes at 9 o'clock, basically 9 p.m. So yeah. All right.
Right there. Retro games. What is that? The Donkey Kong?
Yeah, so
Oh, that's a little Mario thing, yeah.
The regular Nintendo, the Super Nintendo.
It is. Look at that. Marshmallow Madness. It's Sugar High. This is crazy. It's sugar. Look at that. Birthday, gummies, Laffy Taffy, Jolly Ranchers, Sour Power, Nerds. They got coconut bars, coconut patties. Twizzlers, huge. Here, I want this. Take a picture. You hit the picture right there while you hold it. So take a picture while you're recording. Stranger Things, very popular right now.
Retro 80s.
50% off. I like that up there. Cookie dough. Oh, look at that. Do it slowly. Hold it. Hold it like you're biting it. There's some crickets up there. No. Me? My big? Is this a blow pop? You can get French fries here, or you can get you some sushi.
That's the Japanese restaurant.
All you can eat. The Chinese noodles, a sushi tray.
Everybody say Taco Bell?
Turn around. Taco. Candy taco.
Part shells.
What's that? A pizza?
Buongiornos.
Haha. Neat. But anyway, this is the candy store. Thought I'd run in here and show it to you. You probably can't hear me. It's loud with the music. And there's Build-A-Bear. And of course the Skywheel, the Ferris wheel is still back there. Look at that. No way. See those people on that? I'm not doing that ever. It's sugar, in case I missed the sign going in on the other side. But this is, store just come out with all the candy.
Oh, that's the.
This is cute. The water with the little people sitting in it. Very neat. I think that's a slide. You slide down there. No. That's that thing you've seen from the distance that was swinging. And of course that's the Broadway Guest Services Center. And this is where you rent those strollers that everybody's got. That's new here. Good idea. And here's Patrick once again. Say hi, Patrick.
A-S-T-A-M.
Check out them shoes.
Yeah, the Nike Flyknit Air Force One. Mid strap.
Watch that water. Here's my funnel cakes. Right there, uh-huh.
Remember, only the third flight. When you reach the bottom, remain seated until you can touch the okay. Turn back, and then you can take the next seat.
Funnel cake.
Welcome to the giant slide at Broadway at the beach. Slide is measured 44 inches tall and no more than 250 pounds. You must be able to walk up the stairs on your own. You must walk up the stairs without dragging your mat. No running. There is only one rider per lane. Don't step aside. The ride attendant will tell you when it is safe to go down the slide. When seated, you must walk up the stairs without dragging your mat. No running. There is only one rider per lane. Don't step aside. The ride attendant will tell you when it is
No way.
Welcome to the giant slide at Broadway at the beach. Riders must be at least 44 inches tall and no more than 250 pounds. You must be able to walk up the stairs on your own. You must walk up the stairs without dragging your mat. When seated on the mat, place your feet inside the bottom pocket. When sliding down the slide, hold on to the red handles that are at your sides. Do not lean back and keep your elbows in. Do not touch the slide at any time. And do not grab or reach for others. Remember, only feet first sliding. When you reach the bottom, remain seated until the attendant tells you that it is okay to return your mat, and then you can safely exit.
One slide down.
Welcome to the giant slide at Broadway at the beach. Riders must be at least 44 inches tall and no more than 250 pounds. You must be able to walk up the stairs on your own. You must walk up the stairs without dragging your mat. No running. There is only one rider per lane. Don't step in line. The ride attendant will tell you when it is safe to go down
Damn,
the
I'm
slide.
upset. God, it's
When
neat.
seated on the mat, place your feet inside the bottom pocket. When